Yeah, listen close in the beginning of this because we get halfway through, you're going to want to remember the stuff we said in the beginning because it's very important. This is the time of year you get those big storms that blow through here and you want to make sure you're prepared for power outages, right? Michael Essary is here. He's the electrical manager at Blind and Sons. You've seen the trucks. They've got the little short over the eye to make sure you say Blind and Sons, right?
That's right, yeah. Blind and Sons, spelled like blind. Yeah.
I like it. So we're talking about a season right now. You're starting to get those tornadoes, big storms, winds, that kind of stuff. The power goes out, your computer goes out, you get lightning strikes. How can you save us?
We have a variety of electrical solutions here for home backup power. We have everything from a single thing where you just want your furnace to run all the way to you can live just like normal when your power's out. You know, it's a home backup generator.
Okay, so I know a lot of folks are worried about their electronics, like their computers and that sort of thing too. Like if lightning strikes, can something happen and ruin those? And there's some way you can help that?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. For nearby electrical activity and things like that, you know, the stuff you worry about, surge protection. So we offer whole home surge protection and also point of view surge protection for your major equipment like your furnace and your air conditioner.
Yeah, it's important. And you know, how about the refrigerator, the freezer, and the frozen meats and all that kind of stuff? If you lose your power for a long time, what do you do about that?
Yeah, so our backup generators can power your house. Like I said, if you get the properly sized backup generator, it can power your house for days on end, you know, so the entire time the power's out.
So how do you fuel that? If there's no electricity, what runs it and how do you make it work?
There's options for natural gas and for liquid propane. So if you in an area where you have natural gas to your house, that's perfect. Otherwise, like there's propane backup options as well.
How many different sizes are there? I mean, some people don't need the biggest machine. Are there different sizes for different size houses, different needs? Like you said, just the furnace if you want, or you can run the whole shebang.
Oh yeah, there's multiple sizes here. Everything from a 7 kilowatt to all the way to a 26 kilowatt generator that can power most homes, you know, with no problem.
Is there, in some of these cases, you get a lightning strike, say, can it ruin stuff in the house like forever if you're not prepared?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. That's where our surge protection comes in. Surge protection helps that for sure. It's way better, easier life for your electronics there than taking all these surges every day.
Okay, so somebody wants to do this. You come out, what's the procedure?
Yeah, so one of our comfort consultants comes out, evaluates the electrical needs in your home, though, if you determine if you want a whole home backup generator or if you need just like a couple circuits.
You got a big crew.
Oh yeah, that's my electricians there. Those guys are great team of electricians that experts in our field here. We do a lot of generators. You know, we install a lot of generators. Yeah, so once one of our comfort consultants comes out, they do an evaluation of your home's electrical needs, determine which generator is right for you, and then offer you some options there.
So how do you decide where to put it? Because I imagine you sort of have to put it near the box, or how do you do that?
Yeah, we kind of put it near the gas line, though, to make sure you have your fuel. Yeah, so.
Yeah. Okay, so a lot of people don't have gas, so what do you say you do for that?
Liquid propane. So there's propane options where they can get a propane tank, and then you know, a third-party company will come and fill the tank up for them, and it'll run off that.
And how big a tank do you recommend for that?
Anywhere from about 300 to 500 gallon tank.
300 to 500. So how big is a 300 gallon tank? Because people really don't know that. As big as this blue sofa?
Yeah, probably about the size of the sofa. Yeah, there you go. That's probably a good indicator there. And a little rounder than the sofa, though. So.
Yeah, I bet it is. Yeah. And how long will that last if you just had to run it straight up?
They use about 4 gallons an hour, you know, when they're fully loaded. So it'll last you know, over a couple days there.
So even if you don't want to go the whole route, you can go half the route, like you said, just the furnace. Maybe you put the 2 refrigerators or the freezer in there so you don't lose your frozen steaks and that kind of stuff.
Yeah, for hunters, you know, like the meat, and then people also have concerns with CPAP machines, things like that. So.
Yeah, health reasons.
Yeah, absolutely, there's health reasons there, yes.
Okay, so here's a big thing. It's on my paper, not on yours. $2,000 off right now. There's a special deal. They come out, give them a price. It's going to be $2,000 less than it was like maybe last year. There's the special offer right there.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, $2,000 off right now for generators, whole home generators. So.
And how big is the backup? And if you don't act now, how far back up could you get?
So we have right now, when you schedule a generator, a couple weeks out, you know, so it's a good time to take advantage of it, though. We're actually not super to the point where we're booking a month out at this time. So, yeah.
And you know when you don't call is when the power's out.
That's right.
Because that's when everybody calls.
Yes.
Might lose that $2,000 even.
Yeah, right.
Great to see you, man.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you very much.